Hi, in this video, I will teach you how to search for your items within Wunderlister. In this context, items refers to listings, listing templates, or sales. Please note that I am using Wunderlister Desktop app version 5, but the process is the same for the Wunderlister online app. In this video, I will demonstrate the search functionality related to listings, but the same process applies to listing templates and sales. Before we continue, please like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel to get notified when we post new content. If you need any help or clarifications, email support@wunderlister.com. In Wunderlister, you can search your listings in two ways, using simple search or advanced search. This video will focus on the simple search method. For information on advanced search, please refer to our other video. Use simple search if you are searching by a single field. For example, if you want to find listings with a title containing a specific word, you would search using the title field. Another example could be searching for listings with a specific SKU, where SKU is the field you search on. Advanced search is used when you need to search by more than one field. Although it can handle searches by a single field, it is especially useful for multiple criteria. For instance, to find listings where the status is active and the title contains a specific word, you would use advanced search. Now that we understand the difference between simple and advanced searches, let's see simple search in action. As you can see, I am in my listings view under the active folder. At the top of the screen, there is a toolbar with many options. Hover over the first icon, which is labeled Simple Search, and click on it to start. The search form will appear at the top of the current view. The first option is to select the field you want to search on. The list is pre-populated and alphabetically organized. You can scroll through the list or use your keyboard to jump to the desired field. For example, typing T will take you to Title. Click on the field you want to search on. Next, select the operator. The list of operators is also pre-populated and depends on the field you selected. For example, if you want to find titles containing a specific value, select the appropriate operator. If the operator indicates that the field has no value, you don't need to specify a value. Enter the value to search for. In this example, I'll enter 2020 inches to find all listings with titles containing 2020. Click on Search to see the results. You can make the search case insensitive by unchecking the case sensitivity option. The search results will display using the layout of the last used columns before the search. If you go back to the active folder, you'll see the same layout. Note that the search will also find items in the archived folder, unless you are searching within a specific folder. Let's do another search with 2023. The results show 12 listings. If I want to search within these results for listings containing tops, I can do another search, selecting Title contains tops, and checking the option to search within the current results. This will narrow down the results to those containing tops. To demonstrate a case-sensitive search, if I search for tops with case sensitivity enabled, and not within the previous results, I may find nothing. Disabling case sensitivity will include any listing with tops, regardless of case. This is how you use the simple search method to find your listings. Before concluding, please like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. If you need any help, email support@wunderlister.com. Thanks for watching and happy searching.